Are you struggling to close placements and expand your reach? You're not alone. Many recruiters feel this pressure every day. Enter TE Network TM, the industry leader in split placement recruiting. Our trusted community empowers you to collaborate with 1,000 plus professionals and make more placements faster. Experience unmatched collaboration for generating revenue. By working together, you unlock access to the best talent swiftly. Discover niche roles across industries like IT, manufacturing, healthcare, and accounting. Find your sector and start placing candidates today. With purpose-built technology, streamline your partnerships effortlessly. Our tools enhance your recruiting process, allowing you to focus on what matters. Join a trusted community where iron sharpens iron. With nearly 40 years of experience, our 4 pillars ensure you build lasting relationships and thrive. So, are you ready to elevate your recruiting game?
Don't wait!
Join TE Network TM today and take your business to new heights. The opportunity for growth is just a click away.